29th floor. Going up.
Alright guys, back by popular demand, I am making another apartment tour video. So many people have asked me, Jermaine, make another apartment tour video. So here we have it. We're making another apartment tour video right here. Here we go. We're in a really, really cool unit. This is at 299 Fremont in the East Cut neighborhood. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom unit. Let's go check out the price here. Because I know people love to figure out the price. We're on the 29th floor, and this one is apartment 2906. This is 1,015 square feet, and the base price is $1,545. So this is the unit here. This place is beautiful. I like these views. This is some beautiful views of the city. And this here is the kitchen area. Love the stainless steel appliances here. Let's do a cabinet test. You guys know I love to do a cabinet test. Let's see if they slam. No, they don't slam. Those are really nice cabinets because they don't slam. This here is, if I'm not mistaken, this is called an induction stove. This is like the best stove to have, actually. It's a really, really, really good stove. And this is a really, really nice and modern, cool looking one. We got views down below. Pretty thick windows. Yeah, it's really quiet up here. Let's go check out the bedrooms. So this is bedroom. I'll take it this is the smaller bedroom, because I think the other bedroom is the master bedroom because it has a bathroom. But here we have, you know, pretty nice closet space. I love those large floor-to-ceiling windows. Okay, let's go check out this unit here. Oh, this is a larger unit. And oh, I like those windows for some reason. Those windows are bomb. This is bathroom, master bathroom. No shower. No tub. You get a shower. I love that sink. Love the sink there. Closet space. Is there a lot of closet space? Whoa, that's a pretty big closet. Yeah, you definitely got some closet space in here. Yes. Plenty of space, yo. Cool. So this is the first unit. More closet space. Ooh. I'm over here slamming doors. Is this washer and dryer? Yes, washer and dryer. They got old school Bosch up in here. And then we got another shower, an actual tub in this one. So there is a tub in the unit. You know, some places I've looked at, you just only see a shower and there is no tub. What was this little, was this another closet area, this little nude area? No, it's not. It's just an area you can put your shoes in. It's a perfect area to put your shoes in. You know, you can just have a shoe rack, you know, and just have all your shoes right here by the door, and that way you don't, you know, wear your shoes inside of the house. I don't know. What do you guys do? Do you guys wear your shoes in the house? I actually stopped wearing shoes in the house. But I don't do it anymore. Let's go over and let's go check out the rooftop really fast. Let's go up to 33rd. Let's check out the rooftop. Now, another cool thing about this building is every 3 floors, there is a roof area. So if you look down below, there's like this little roof patio area every 3 floors, which is kind of cool. Okay. Okay, so this here is the rooftop. Let's go check it out. Oh, wow. There's the outdoor seating area. Over here, I see all these boats. It makes me think of the canal that was blocked, the Suez Canal. I see all the big boats out there in the water. That has nothing to do with the tour, by the way, but I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go down to the 17th floor. Okay, before we go down to the 17th floor, let's check out the 30th floor first. The 30th floor has one of those little outdoor seating areas that I was telling you guys about. Just will have to catch the next elevator to go down. Yes, so every 3 levels, there is this little area where you can sit out and explore. And one cool thing about this, it's not on the windy side of the building. I want to say the other side of the building is the windy side of the building. Over here, this is not the windy side of the building. It's definitely shaded for sure, but today is a really, really warm day, so it feels amazing in the shade. On a cold day, it's probably gonna feel cold in the shade. Let's go down to 17. I kind of wanted to show you guys like one of these little areas, because like I say, they have these every 3 levels, which is kind of cool. That's a beautiful building over there. I think I'll explore that one next.
Down.
Okay, so this is 1710. All right, here we have it. This one is on the 17th floor. And oh, I actually like the angles here. I like the angles better. I like the angles a lot better, actually. You definitely get more of sun on this side. I mean, the other unit was sunny too. But this one has this other building kind of in the way. Well, I guess that the building doesn't block the sun. But yeah, it's nice and large. A very cool looking kitchen. I like that kitchen area. You guys know I'm a huge fan of stainless steel. We don't have to do a cabinet test here because I already know. Oh, whoa. Did you guys just see that? These cabinets are not the same as the other ones. Let's see. Cabinet test. I don't know. The cabinets are okay. They passed the test. This here is the master bedroom. Yes. So here is the master bedroom. And it overlooks This is 450 Folsom. Yes, oh, it looks 450 Folsom, which they got a really cool little hangout rooftop area. Let's go over here. Beautiful bathroom here with shower. I should probably cut this off. I didn't cut it on, but I'll cut it off. I noticed two thermostats, one here and one here. So I don't know. Maybe there's two different units. Maybe there's a unit for this room and then there's another unit for this room. Okay, so this one over here is the other bedroom, which is definitely on the shaded side of the building. Wow, I love this view. This view is amazing. Let's look down. Yeah, it's beautiful. And then looks like this room has its own thermostat. So I take it every room has its own thermostat. This bedroom, that bedroom, and then this room here. And then here we have a bathroom with shower. Hey. And then over here, washer and dryer again. So how big is this one? There's a lot of hallways in this one, I noticed. Skyscrapers, that's a big thing about skyscrapers, you get a lot of hallways. This one is unit 710, 962 square feet. Base price, $4,900. $4,900 is actually not bad. I mean, $4,000 would be dope, but I mean, come on. But yeah, $4,900 is not bad for this. I mean, you're right here in smack dead in the middle of the East Cut, and you got all sorts of shops just popping up along the way. I mean, it has nothing to do with the pandemic, actually, because before the pandemic, you know, they're developing this neighborhood. Now you got more people moving in, so you got shops and stuff opening along the way, and I just love that really, really cool sidewalk they put here down Folsom Street. So that's what you're paying for. You're paying for these amazing views. You're paying for this freaking really cool neighborhood that doesn't have any nightlife in it, you know. But so what? You got nightlife at your you got nightlife at the rooftop. You got nightlife at some of these other amenities in this building. Let's check out the 6th level. Yes, let's check out the 6th level. Down. Let's go down real quick. Okay, this area here looks like a fitness center area. Okay, so let's go down. Let's go back up to the 8th floor. And let's see what's on the 8th floor. So there's the gym.
Going up. Going up.
Alright, so here on the 8th floor, we have a pool and jacuzzi, which is closed because of the COVID, I believe. I don't know if it has anything to do with COVID, but it's closed now. So I'm not gonna go out there, but this is on the 8th floor. And there's also barbecue grills, and there's a little hangout area over there. You can like sit down and hang out and stuff. But yeah, there's like a little bug on the window. Oh no, crap. I thought it was on the other side of the window. I didn't mean to kill it. Oops. But anyway, let's get out of here. Let's go down to 1 and let's grab the skateboard and skate away.